Hey guys, I'm showing you this external Blu-ray drive. It's a USB 3.0 Type-C 3D Blu-ray. It can be used for the DVD or the BD player, read and write, portable Blu-ray drive for laptop, Windows PC or any other desktop thing. So let's open this and show you the product first. So this is a standard size external or the portable drive, the optical thing drive. Now the good thing about this is it have the inbuilt USB, so you don't have to carry another cable. The other good thing about this is have an additional USB, card and stuff. I will explain that later on. So this one have an additional drive to use the data, and this USB. So you can see like it have this micro SD card, the USB-C thing, and then also the other TF card. So basically you can also use it as a card reader, or you can also put a different card material directly in it and use it, or get a display out of it. So this have the dual one like USB-C or the USB. So I'm using the USB-C here. So it automatically read up, so no drivers is required, and I'm able to connect it to my uh, PC or the laptop. Now it start reading here, and you can see that this will show up on my thing as well. And then you can also use it to read and write, so this can use both product. So I'm able to recognize this drive on my laptop, and it can start reading as a drive on it, and the light is on, so it's a good indicator. And then the LED indicator also helps that his drive is running. This also have a small reset button. In case your drive is stuck, you can use that to take that drive out. So say like this is a micro SD card, so you can just put it micro SD card in here, and it will directly read up in my laptop. So it's good thing that you can use all different type of USBs, micro SD card, DVDs and stuff. Very helpful.